Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
First of all, I Dimothy, what will I allow I agree. If I Dimothy and his wife, Mrs. Isoken Idaosa, I agree, you know, Kokomo of Germany, I agree. You understand? A party, I know that you definitely cause. You know who tell me to make cannot beat a nogi. Now I just said they want say. Because most send the video you were. Understand? Good. So I beg. I want you to use like 5 days, they beat a nogi. 5 days. Maybe 5 days go too much. You know Yahoo. Maybe 5 days you know Yahoo. But you only teach a lesson. Maybe you're correct because it gave me a more. You understand? When you carry the president, when I take as offense. It's left for you, you understand? But I want to let you all know where a Nogi nuisance on the Edo Saba species is getting out of hand. You understand? Eto the Wesaga, Enogi Rinene. Enogi or Rinene, Ezu or Irene or Ila Nogi. If we want to do saga, well, the way they go do saga. What your saga is left for you guys, but I'm telling you that never saga. It teach a lesson because it's a fool, it's a lunatic, or Zuan. You understand? It will be Omohane, no more Baba, Enogi. You understand? Enogi, where Atiti, I was here, no Hana, Ba. You understand? Enogi, but your mind, Osaume say, who are Ogono? Osaume say, well, who are you Saume say, who you want? Osawe sege popo mu yo wa wo wele yo wa ni okay o we ho osawe sege osawe se no se gbigbe agare roma na you hear countless course in Roma omo no hia we na yare o you osawe se ya we na yare uwe ogo ni no hear go ani go ni osawe se social media oni so for boss sara social media agboya we with TikTok one of president that here when you mistake your opinion for mistake. I made me the second time. I know what to do. You understand? Because today I come with a lot of fire and a lot of anointing. You have to be careful on your comment and your whatever you press. No, you understand? Now let's go there. You know, this is the reason because more bad way. Now me, I know you too well. I personally talked to you, caught you. I disgwangwan you 5 days and 6 days ago. A week ago now, a week plus. Oh, you go reply and you wonder. You don't feel talk. Now me they chest you, you don't feel talk. They run, they go they tell why I think they beg for the ghost, maybe they go forgive you. See why I think they beg for the ghost. And again, you said very good write recipes for your picky picture. That one is just the beginning. And again, you not post my picky picture. And again, do where you not post my picky picture. I don't ever carry your picky picture, come and talk post. You not post my picky picture. When I come up for you, you go to move over your wall.
Okay.
Hey, so yazi. Ona die be. Oma jiro ho we no gbele kege ni ati. Ima bola we gbe like we go na wa bijua. Nu o wa nu o wa na. We no gbegbebu le lo sa o se ti mo gbegbebu ne bi o. No fi o boy pop mari mi ame no je we ku ko sa we se no o wa no ma no ji. O sa lo ba na gun e bi vie va no ri o zangun me. O sa lo ba na gun e bi vie va no ri o na me. O sa lo ba na gun e bi vie va ne gbe yan na ko me. O sa lo ba na gun e bi vie va na mi e bege ya. O sa lo ba na gun e bi vie va na ku won gbugbu. I vie va dan o bi la wa. Il vient va dans. Il vient va. Or dans ro. Or bien là. Il vient va ekbere. Or bien là. Donc mamie on not time away. Et no gino wa ko ça we. Ça we merci. Ni ka mu wa. Il vient va. Or dans. Na miere yini. Na gbon gbere yini. Na yini ki si osa. Or wa bien bien là. If you don't understand it in Benin, it may come on people. The worstest twist so far on air, not from heaven. Oh, that's the kind of children you have. May God, you people should use that as prayer point. May God not let you have a twist that will bring disgrace to you. May God not let you have a twist that will bring insult in your life. May God not let you have a twist that will not let you have rest of mind. May God not let you have a twist that the whole world will be insulting you. May God not let you have a twist that you'll be falling into temptation every blessed day and night. You know, give the worstest twist on earth so far. That is what your wife gave to you. Go and ask your wife where you will bring those children. Come on. Okay. Go and ask your wife where if you bring the children come for you. A monola or one right from pregnancy. You have been a nuisance to the society just because you have a twist. Right from the go, you never have peace of mind. Your household never have peace of mind. You have been here and up and down. Everybody suck. Only you want from Vito, from your own best friend, DJ Wisdom Man, from there, from Vito. The same thing will cause quarrel between me and you. Now you just do today. DJ Wisdom might go report you for police station. This guy, what did they call him? Dadamasis call me. Bros, who will bring us together? Who will beg this guy? Maybe not go report this guy for police station. You turn the case against me. Now me and you still dating now. If you forget, make I remember you. Now we still dating now. And now when I will say, I'm not going to zoom you be. Who don't zoom down? No, you know you love. Oh, buko. The same thing now. On your behalf, Titina. What did they call him? Pray God, not vex. Sorry, forgive him. You turn and now, you use an insult your papa mate. Now, what better lady we were? Now, what better what bijou are going? It will be. Now, what bijou are going? Is where you say, no, you want to buy your dog on your knee. The same thing, the same attitude. Oh, you perform right now. Do it like live video. No, because you marry me saga, you marry me topic, you marry me content. Uzuwa or you boy. Daddy God, I want confess. Yeah, confess. Wow. See how useless you are. The little girl that you brought up as your goddaughter has been bullying you, humiliating your wife, humiliating your rejected twins. Your rejected, abandoned twins. Instead of you to stand up as a man and ask your wife, what am I mom? What am I mom? What am I mom? No, I know how. Then what one at your no ya na a baby mama no jalo anu yowa no ya no economy no na me gba kan mu bu e mo no lawa dagun ezezo ebo ihe ya no to agboya ga saga we no ya behave. You see when useless here. Everybody will be rejoicing with a man and a woman who have a twist in their house. Everybody want to tap from the anointing of twists. But a nogi, everybody is laying insult upon you and your household since twins came into your life. You want somebody to tell you that you have a useless children. You want somebody to come and tell you that you have useless children. May God not let me have a twist that will bring insult upon my household on daily basis. On daily basis. Nobody will tell you the truth. The stupid single squad association, the single nyama igbeagia GPC association, they will be clapping you for your atrocity, for your humiliation, for the disgrace that you are bringing to your whole family. All in the name of investor Enogi. What are you investing? You are investing costs, investing humiliation, investing disgrace into your household, and you call that investor. Oh, when you are a learned person, you are a learned person. Learned person does not know a left from a right. You are a learned man, and you can always sit down and think. you're a school man, Joel. Then you are Dozoi. You are the most foolish man I've ever seen on social media. You are the most useless guy I've ever seen on social media. Baga, Benjamin, you enter Benjamin. Benjamin, no matter anything. Benjamin, I didn't even know Benjamin before. Benjamin was on his own low key, doing his own thing on his own way, the way he know how to do it best. Without he doesn't even have affair with our saga, whatever social media madness. You drag Benjamin into saga. Benjamin even call on your program. You don't get waiting I do you. You know you change everything for him to bring that guy, to even insult that guy father. Because you buga like say you did. Nothing you get. Now you beg pass. Nobody will ever beg for social media. Nobody will never beg. I don't mind begging for social media. Now you the buga pass. Now you the form activities. You don't belong. You be the Jew. Now you don't be naughty. You the feel say you get mad. Or for the nyama talk when you talk. Your dress you not get better accurate dressing, better swag you don't get. It is that bullshit make the get swag. Words of math, encouragement you don't get. Issue go call your table. You don't even know how to handle issue. Bring matter call your table where we not get solution. Matter we not get solution. What do they present? Nyama insult. Just to come out and call the insult person, the woman parable say, it's the haunts where they put you, where social put you on your dubious single mother wife where you put for us. Nenetity is be a girl where you put for us. We don't know and left from my own of you, not even read food sentence. That's Tamara S. Ibiagia. You just come out on the insult at the TV, but Lara, you go out what bitch wewa. Bobby Ravi, you won't wagon. Bobby Ravi, you won't. Bobby Ravi, you won't. No, see how you try to fool yourself. You can say, you tell me where again. And then we hear say, oh my day, you go, oh, do you go? Oh, day, you know. Oh, day, you know. You think so you want to arrive? He has said, no, see where. Have you ever seen Iyase being humiliated on social media? When Iyase was moving with you, Iyase was receiving insult because of you. Iyase was receiving humiliation because of you. Since Iyase deviated from you after we snatched up with your boy, you see the reason why? If I know where you are or no. When you ate a food that does not belong to you, you must wait for the repercussion. The woman that had this nuisance children for you, she does not belong to you. It's your friend, girlfriend. You snatch her out from your friend. Today now, what are you receiving? Insult upon injury. Insult upon injury. You still get picking. You feel say you don't arrive. You don't come. Hoping say, oh, children don't come. Twins don't come. Let's celebrate. Life go change. Now death insult increase fast. Now death causes increase fast. See who they talk. You will come and say, your own godfather, if your wife give you food, you go go give your children when they chop for inside. Whether they go poison and you don't know. Which humiliation passed that one? Your own godfather, they come and they call the talk, say, Perigold rice recipes for your children. You never see recipes. They never put coffee for their head. You know the shame? Say you're born Peking. Your twins, where everybody they embrace. Where everybody they tap, they use their head, they touch their head, they tap anointing. We come from heaven. Now they write recipes for their body. Never even reach 4 months when you're born there. You should be ashamed of yourself. You just let everybody you go hit, they will just let you go free. Some will pray some dangerous prayer for you. Your wife never see anything. He turned to Prophetess Grace. Not only Pastor Grace. He go turn Prophetess Grace. Because now disgrace is the grace. You turn your wife to Prophetess Grace. She doesn't get disgrace. Since when she turned born twins for you, now disgrace they enter her life. Disgrace and humiliation. They stammer they follow you for our house there. Like idiots. Lunatic. School will not go. Now when they talk, they find how now they beg for social media. Work, you know they work. You did Dutchman. They'll give you 6 months advice with working permit for you to go look for a job. And they see 4 hours job. You go to work, they assist your wife for us. Instead, no, and to sit down for us for live video. Children when they really born, they know their eardrum will be pain them. When they shout every night, when everybody they sleep, when children are supposed to get peace of mind, when their heads supposed to calm down, and that time they make for live video. They shout, they make noise when children when they really born. Why? Insult nobody call your picking life. Why insult? If you marry who has been blessed with cause, everything that connects that person become cost. As far as you and your so-called baby mama is being vocal with cause, there is never a time when you know all your generation will be on that cause. Your baby mama, all from her household is full of cause. From her household is a generation of cause. If you don't know, enough, make I tell you now. If you don't know, do my anywhere. So if you don't know where you are, let me educate you and open your eye for you to know where you are. Your own baby mama Salome and say, a household is full of cause. Because a household that dwell in Ayelala Shiran is a full of cause. Cause and your household full of. A household that doesn't know Christ. A household that doesn't know Christianity is full of demonic people. Now then you go marry. What thing you say you will give birth to? You will give birth to cause. You will give birth to cause. When a child is being dedicated to Shiran, an evil Shiran, whatever comes out of her is always an evil. Whatever comes out of your so-called baby mama is always an evil. You think that you do not with your clear eye. The spell that is in you, you don't feel no. The spell that is cast on you, you don't feel no. You know, I pity you. I pity you.
My God.
You got to go and work on yourself before it's too late. There are some people that look healthy, but inside they are not healthy. Physically, appearance you will look healthy, but spiritually you are dying without saying goodbye. Because where you are, I'm going to see you, sir. I'm going to see you, sir. You know, Bollard, no saga each other like madman. That toothless dog. It comes to show me that when they talk, I say you know what to talk. Who you be? You get mad. You get rotation from mad. You feel now. The born you wear. When men they talk, you feel talk. You feel talk. You feel sadly why you. What worry we? What did they do you? Abuse. Why we like video because they like be a girl ball anyway. Because they having the depression that make you want to ball anyway. Who they cover your life the way they reasonable? Who is reasonable on your platform? That people will say, yes, this platform is really educated. Who they reasonable? They are only clapping for you for your insult, for your news, and see how you're going to end at last. They clap for you to see how you want it end last. See prank what you say you do. After you do prank, they give you prank. You do prank with your own goddaughter. Today now, prank turn to plank. Should they plank you here and there? Insults upon injury. You should be ashamed because you marry cause and she gave birth to causes. If you don't know, go ask your mother. You marry cause and she gave birth to causes. Since your mama and your papa do Anna, don't shook ego. Carry your mama, tell her make you go. Make you go ask, make you go pray oracle concerning that your woman. Make they tell her who she be in the realm of the spirits. Also, just see people, they put quick yanka. They see me my digger. Oh yeah, the digger. They burn twa. Like say they fresh water for river. You know the thing. This is not every woman who born better picky for person. This is not every bekus na better children did. This is not every bekus, every picky will come up for bekus na be better children. Also, what do you expect me fish born? If you marry Scooby, what do you go born? It will be Akba Bobo. A man will know why you go on money. Why I say if you marry Scooby, I ask you, if you marry Scooby, what did she go born? Go ask your mama, make it go oracle. I send you message now. Me for you just now to do I now you know. Carry your mama, make go you make go ask. No fear. No ya agree how you no biele no. No ha wo no biele no. No ya we mo no biele. Omo no sagri agbo. Omo no sagri agbo. Omo no ri agbo. Do fear do fi. Onye nyefa. no do mirari yefan wo zizi we nyanga ogare edagun we no gba ife we. If you don't get sense, sit down when you learn, when you get sense, because in every nonsense there's a sense. If you really born child of God, when God said go, as he enter your life will change. Ordinary woman enter person's life, a life will change. No, talk of twins from heaven. Twins come your life worse. That means something is wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Go check your picking when you born. When you decide, say, I will do anything for my children. I will do anything for my children. Go check their life where. Yeah, go check their life where. Then they check picking who pass and come. Yaga will not live when you. Kakabo yaga eno kid one live video. Kaya dolo waweji no when mama burubu. Ya dolo waweji. Ya he. Nina ya de. No re na magirese because we get one na. O kesu mari kumofwa. Kaya yaga ya ri de kani o no leyan re. You know say the women la we social media ya yagbo. E mo kayin derive from their belly, their mama belly, na saga starts. You keep egg. Egg can the cause for Deutschland. You bust egg for everywhere for Germany. Egg can the cause for Germany. Still yet, you ye belly. Still yet, a woman ye ho can you wa. When we have belly egg, say, was that belly egg, marked by Walanke Dabomu. Exodus 16, Exodus 17, was that Exodus 17? Still yet, who are ye belly? Check this woman, Lara Ben, that called you in the night, and you were illuminated. Today, go and look at her life. She's okay with her husband. No nyanga, no zuwa. But we're not there okay. We're not there normal. Every day and night, your children is being bullied on social media. Your wife is being bullied on social media. You yourself are being bullied on social media. Can't you check your life? Don't you see that there's something wrong somewhere? They're happy when they give you star, when they clap for you because they monetize. Because monetization problem. How much do they pay for the monetize? I wish him then let me not use the pay you like monetize. They talk to you. May you not feel say monetization money they find. They feel me so. Pay make I open verse, make I clear everything come out for social media. Make I put on the system. When they see how much they pay for the video, when they cry put so, when they shout put, which no reach $50 for one particular video. This video we are doing, if they want to pay for this video, it don't reach $50. When you because of every place day and night, your picking not get rest of mind. You don't get rest of mind. Your wife don't get rest of mind. People we are surrounding, they don't get rest of mind. If you know so bow your way, if you know so be you do, you go turn on that different thing entirely. Because you don't want to make money. Because you don't want to arrive. Respect you don't get. Respect you don't get.
Okay.
You don't come and they call it insults. You mad. If you see Atiti first son, I don't go red house. In red house, now you go carry wife. You mad. You don't give you where. Fear go let you stand for Atiti first son in front. Then you tell him say, bros you the case. You go see art bros in first son. When you got this spin there, the boy learn work. He finish school. He graduate. He they work now. Atiti first son they work. If you don't know, make I tell you. If you don't know, make I tell you. Working class now it be. Papa they do beggar. You know Papa, at the they do beggar. But in son, now working class, now government worker. For spend there, he go rent your house now. As they talk. For wait for the work. He don't they drive. At this son they drive. You will be small picking yesterday, we don't know anything. We never even know what to be life. You don't even get, you never buy what do they call fuel. €1, you never know how much for a liter for Europe. How much for a liter of fuel for Europe, you don't know. You go come out when they talk. Now you people really listen to all your day when they follow you. You will not want to tell how much they buy a liter of fuel for Europe. You could talk to who you person, they ride better car. You are a stupid boy. You a big fool. Ozuoke. Uwa. Iwoke.
My God.
Iwe. Ni me ya masowe. Ni me ya masowe ariye. Me to be me. Ne na edi moto le webo. But at least me ni go na ake fuel moto. Ne ni go be liter. Ini go no be liter of fuel. the Europe. If we are a high, at least if they are like police station. Wa zua no zua. No ya lele mani won dey na build them away. A piri the social media. Let the we are woniso. We are woniso ni agwa le igbi agari an so le Nigeria account. You go na gbigbi ajakere o ya pay mo dan kere kere you nuku ni aga mo yo account wa ho ba bo mu a o. Fi an wa gun. Como não tinha agora tá boa zanzan social media. O mami não ia ter que lubier. Ani do mo ya a glass ya o un agboji. O un agboji. Da wa ya gbana we. On me mo na gbinana. On me mo na wa abie agbo mo ni gwan gbinana. On me mo no wa ya abie. O ma gugun. Wo ya wa gugu le gbon do ni o gbinana. E mo no wa ru e ko yan ma e tori e bona ka wa na we gbe. O na la we gbe e zo la we gbe ana wa na ya from weko. You should be ashamed of yourself. We wo ko weko wo kan wo ata ho odo ye ya me bibi wo asalo a wo e we be mu we ki ya agun mu mi o ko no yu egbigbi age o na ya betu flat we ye wo kan wo ni ya betu flat o ye ba enu gini pe na mu e o ye re o no keko ane o ni kitare wo ko ya ho kulu yi ni filo you we na go e puff come le ni e puff come na ga go you wo rupo aga go e puff come yo we e go yan quanto 50 euro aqui puff come you we wow uno sabe mo yo we ba não acho que custo. He goes to social media put it talk. It's not to say Benjamin go put the side for ground for you. You're not person to talk to Benjamin. Are you mad? You are Benjamin in class. You are Benjamin in class. Not even go talk of no go talk of a attitude. Not even use it compare attitude song. Not even attitude. You are Benjamin in class. You don't know your mates. You don't know your standard. Now those GPC or those money can you like the Zoa and those kind of squad, like that be your squad now. You don't know. You're supposed to know.
Okay.
You are better than mates for everything. The other time you carry phone, they call Vera father. They pretend as Benjamin. You see the stupidity to the highest level. You and the so-called Egbeaganomu Yowa. Obele goes to nobody where you put for house. Those Egbeageroma, where they dope. That's why you two brothers fuck. What's in your life? Your own wife, two brothers don't fuck. Your own wife, two friends don't fuck. You know see like a Zoa. And that's the person that they call wife. Now wolf you put for house. Because a wife will correct you for your evil. A wife will correct you when you are going into fire. A wife will tell you, say, honey, no, this is not the way it is. Instead, because you get evil, you get woe for us. He could clap for you, meaning see your end. Because she happy to wear black. Or Zoa, no mind you. Or Zoa, no mind you. The same that your woe when they call wife, so if you die today, now your friend goes to knock. Back up because you know the shit. You be a guy, you know. And it says, yeah, you know, I got to go back home, just every year. Me no see money just to take care of the children. You go run in that street. Obele goes to money. If you he is when I quick a barrier, you tomatoes. Wow, we go on over. Why do I allow the guy to do what is he going? You are a man dog. You are one mother than move. Ordinary Perry gold, they beat you like small picking. You start they confess. Perry gold, only Perry gold, they don't handle you. You confess, they don't your man they run like tap when they open. Only Perry gold, only tear you apart. Your man they run like tap when they open. They come and they say, Atiti, don't tell me that. Don't wake up. You are a man. You are a madman. You stupid civilian or a bell. I'm not going. We not boko you don't mark boko you kokobiri yaho Bangladesh we are Senegal Roma who can Atlantic scores. Wo kan ya we na yare he. E we do ya gbe ya gun we live video. Iku emu e. Awa biju aba gbori we yun su. Iwe sun we de ne woro wa. You want to take it. Ati iwi ju no. Iwi ju no. Iwi ati logi na le ba bola we are you mad? Iju no ki guy e wotu. Iju no we guy e wotu. You go still get mad and talk. I don't imagine. I mean, yes, I mean, when you go near kickback because you don't free internet. Don't see free internet. You know, you will like borrow, guy borrow me agbada. Me I borrow you agbada. Oga borrow me agbada. We no borrow we borrow. So they borrow for bongo. The shirt when they wear the good lecture. That's why you go to teach. You they borrow one. Who don't know you for such a wash it? For what you? Ogun boy, I'm not going. I'm not going. Do azul. Ari ko ni apo bole lewe. Ai gba ni. One idiot buy call life lewe. Hey no gi. I still go like it. You everything you did with you. If na comedy, you did there. If na this one, you did. Yeah, but where you are you want man, you rejoice. You unya zuo, unya yefo, wa moji. There are people who know why I come, know why this industry of live video. Yeah, man, before you can arrive. Yeah, man, you can make it. Oh, you are zuo. Money ave bien, presenter ni money ave bien. Ama ve pitch yan malian na gbere CPC yo. Wo gwa na luga. Geli anti ege, ni le no yan gomoda we Monica. E Monica, ama e mo J boy la jande na gbere CPC yo. Be na pa pe J boy le gbelu wala se. We ru wala nya J boy. Ama e gbere CPC, ye gbe J boy one day. No matter all the atrocity ni Monica e o, ama e gbe pitch ye la dian na gbere CPC yo. Wo gwa na luga e, can't you think? Understand? When I block, I only judge now. You, let me see your comment here. No, no. I think we are going to go on the way. No, what they can. If you don't go for no more, no where you hope now. Why say how they bring when you pass here? Lebuya. This is we know the story. Wow, one. Go as well. I'm not saying that they been. I don't. Okbarama mo denu mo desun. He never see rich. No ya arrive, no ya shadow, you don't arrive, don't get rich, you don't arrive. Since 2012 come life. Now insult, now be the paper what they give you. Since when twist take come in your life, the document where you get that insults. They tap insult, pale insults, then they give you pale insults. Now you don't collect this with this twist they come life. Okay. Pale insults. No time wait till they sleep with rest of mind. If you sleep, you think of the next saga. You sleep, you think of the next day. How can you use the life? You don't get nothing to think for head. Now I have to call you the co-person. Ask me, are you the talk now? You just not get your man number. Your own mother get your own mother number. You don't give me the tell you today. Your own mama, I get a number. As I come day now, I can't carry phone, can't call your mama, can't the record your mama. As I come day now, as I just come this stupid. I just look myself. As I don't go buy card for phone. You can't call your mama for Nigeria because I want bully no give. Because I want bully no give. Who get a zoo? You are the most stupid man I've ever seen so far. You are the most jobless man. That is the jobless to the highest level. To feel careful, call Vera for that. For phone. For Nigeria. They question that man. You are the most jobless man I've ever seen. The day we are bully Vera. I bully Vera finish. Vera father. Vera baby father. In your baby father. I call him. Make you just give me one of the money put on for school. The man say no, say na money in it. He said na money na in it. And the reason why I leave that man. The reason why I leave that man. Very don't know. I'm not going live video. I'm not going to live because he's on the bullying for live video. Because I see those children, I feel pity. The little I feel do. No fees. Only one. I will pay the school fees.
Okay.
Come on for school fees. Go for government school. The man say no one. You understand? Okay. Instead, not to you to carry phone, they call Vera father, they talk anyhow. That the job blessed on that you don't get work. You don't get what they use your brain to think. You don't get anything for your scores. better thing with you think with your scores. That was just sit down, man. Just look for. You never get my information. Which information they find about me? If you want my information, I'll give you. Oh, but look, I know, man. You think say me normal? You are a madman. See this stupid civilian where they call live, they call it, say, he never see that one address, he never see that one information. Which information you want to see? Come out where you can't talk. I want to get that information. Your stupidity on social media, I love. It's enough for me to know that you are a nuisance. I don't need information about you anymore because your stupidity on social media is enough for me to know that you are a nuisance. You are a lunatic. You got no brain. You don't feel a thing with your head. Because mature and reasonable person, not going to misbehave the way they misbehave on social media. Only the stupid people that are like you, that will be clapping for you, that will not tell you the truth. The reasonable people will sit you down and tell you the truth. Hello, bros. I greet you. This speaker. Or this speaker. What's up?
Happy Christmas.
I wish you the same, my brother.
I pray the Baba Domo Baba Lama.